on Mr. Chiranjeev Saluja, the founder and managing director of Premier Energy.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's my privilege to welcome you all today for the inauguration of this greenfield facility. I would like to thank senior government dignitaries, distinguished guests, friends from the media, our customers who have come from outside Telangana to take out time for this occasion. Built with an investment of 483 crores, spread across 25 acres. This high-tech plant has been designed to produce the latest generation products designed to drive the industry to a greener tomorrow. This launch is significant for us because it contributes to the Make in Telangana and Atmanirbhar Bharat initiatives of the Government of India. This expansion has more than doubled Premier Energy's capacity. This plant will produce 750 megawatt of solar cells and 750 megawatt of solar modules. We are happy to announce that 700 people have been employed in this plant and more than 80% are from Telangana, sir. We at Premier Energies realize that the future of the power industry in India is going to be driven by renewable energy and dominated by solar energy. With increased adoption of automated and robotics, our new factory is at par with some of the leading manufacturing companies across the world. We are proud to announce that with the commissioning of this plant, Premier Energies is the second largest integrated facility in India and the largest in South India. On this same day, as our chairman sir said, 29 July 2017, we had the honor of Sri KTR Garu inaugurating our existing plant at Anaram village. On that day, 4 years ago, we had announced plans for construction of a gigawatt facility, and we had approached Telangana Industries Department for allocation of land. We had been given an assurance by Minister Garu that our request will be considered positively. True to his words, we were allotted land, this land on fast-track basis. We thank you, sir, for the trust you had in our company, and we are proud to have achieved construction of this plant within 18 months of land allotment. I may sound biased because I'm born and brought up in Hyderabad, but I would like to mention that the seamless way in which the whole process was completed, from allocation of the land to the ever-famous TS iPass. For our guests who have come from outside Telangana, TS iPass is one of its kind. It's beyond single window. Any industrialist who wants to set up a mega project in Telangana needs to just apply, and in 15 days, he needs to get an answer with a yes or a no. If he doesn't get an answer, on the 16th day, the government gives a deemed approval. Such a scheme is novel and only in Telangana. For all of us who know Minister Garu as Ramanna, we are thankful to you, Ramanna, for the ease of doing business in Telangana. Construction of this greenfield project in record time, despite 2 COVID waves, was a great challenge, and this would not have been possible without the unwavering support of our premier family members and our committed vendors. They all worked through the pandemic relentlessly. We thank you all for your support in construction of this facility. This may go out of context, but I would like to mention an incident which happened with me yesterday. I had invited my brother-in-law, who's a doctor in Delhi. He's here today. Yeah. So, 24/7 working on COVID patients, and invited him for this inauguration. And he told me I will try to make it. But yesterday, he sent me a WhatsApp video. He said, I got this video in my school group, Springdale's Delhi school group. And the video says, look at this politician. He's better than most of our CEOs. And that was a video of KTR Garu with Tim Cook. And in 5 minutes, he told me, I'm coming. So, sir, you are not just attracting investment into the state, you're also attracting doctors to come and listen to you. I would like to thank our term loan lenders, IREDA, for financing our expansion, our working capital bankers, SBI, ICICI, PNB, and HDFC, for supporting us at each step. I would like to thank Mentor Management Services, Dhruv Sharma is here, who stood with us and supported us in getting this plant up and running. So today, on 29 July 2021, 4 years from 2017, we again would like to announce, sir, that we wish to expand and grow this base from 750 megawatt per annum to a 3000 megawatt per annum plant. This expansion will result in employment creation of additional 2,000 jobs. We need your continued support, Minister Garu, and we assure you that we will continue to work towards adding latest technology and make Telangana a solar manufacturing hub. Jai Hind.